Hello, beautiful people. You are welcome. Much love. God bless you all for coming to this channel once again. If today is your first time of coming here, you are welcome. Today, I want to teach you one Indian secret hair growth oil that is good for your hair to maintain your natural hair that God has given to you. Fenugreek, you need clove. This is clove. Clove is very good. Clove help you to recover your damaged hair back. It helps you to have that hair growth. It stimulates your hair. And even fenugreek seed makes hair to grow faster. This is tea, the green tea. It's very good for your hair. Green tea stimulates your hair. Green tea prevents a lot of damaged things in your hair. Those things that is making your hair not to grow, green tea prevents it. It's very good. You can use any type of green tea or mint leaf. It's very good. Mint tea. So you just pour it out this way. Clove is very good. If your hair is not growing, use clove. You just put it in a dry blender. This is a dry blender. We're just going to blend it this way. Okay, so after putting the clove and the tea, now I put the fenugreek seed. I add it to it. Guys, this is very good. This is very good. It will help your hair to grow. We have done a lot of things for hair in this channel. Check down below. You will see my coconut oil, how to grow your hair, different type of condition you will use. Your hair is beautiful. Maintain it. When you're maintaining your hair naturally, you will see you will be loving it. You'll be bold with it. Okay, we just pour it into the pot. Okay, you can decide to pour it into the bottle or into a jar, but this is the way I'm doing it. Okay, this is the way I do it. We just put everything we blended into the pot. So the next thing we are going to be taking is just vegetable oil that you use at home. Vegetable oil is very good. It has that fat for your hair and it's very good to stimulate your hair, to make your hair grow. We just stir together this way. After stirring it together this way, what the next thing we're going to be doing is to take it to the gas. Okay, we're going to be leaving it there for 15 to 20 minutes with low heat. Okay, with low heat. We don't want it to burn. We just want the nutrient of the fenugreek, of the clove and the tea to soak inside the oil. Okay, so that is what we want. You see, I put it in a low heat. We are going to leave it there for 20 minutes to 25. Okay, so you can leave it for 15 minutes, but we are leaving it for 20 to 25. So you see, this is after 15 minutes. I go and shake it and just see the way it is. You see, it's just bubbling up and gradually there is no burn, nothing. Okay, we are just getting the nutrients out of them all. So guys, maintain your natural hair, because all this seed, all these things has been given to us by God to maintain our natural hair. I know it's not easy, but continue. When you continue, you will love it. So I'm going to leave it to cool down. So now it's cool. So I leave it for 25 minutes to cool down. Okay, so now it's cool. So what you're going to be doing is to take any cloth or anything you know is neat and is good for you to sip. Okay, without the sharp be coming out with it. Okay, it's not a sipper because the sharp will come out with it. So you just sip it this way. Oh my God, this is going to make your hair grow. Your hair will not stop growing. Do you see Indian people? This is what they are using. This is Indian secret hair growth oil that I'm showing you here, guys. This is a big secret that you don't know about. This is going to grow your hair. If you have abandoned your natural hair, I want you to come back to it. Start growing it. You just press out the oil. Do you see it? This oil is not just good for only hair. You can use it for body too. You can use it for body. It's so good. If you have your dry skin, your leg is so dry and your leg is so crunchy, it's not as it is smooth together, you just use it to rub it. You will see under 5 days you will see a change in it. I'm telling you. And this is very good. When you are using it to rub your hair, you are going to see. You see the way it is. That is just it. That is just it. You stay together. You stay together. If you want to add any other it to it, like any oil you have that is like essential oil, you can add it this time. But I don't add anything to my own. It's natural. You see, when you even rub it in the skin, your skin will be shiny. If you have a broken skin, that when you shake somebody, your hand is so strong, just scrub it. I have a scrub down on my video. You just use it to scrub your hand and use it to rub it. Very, very good. So this is the bottle. I'm going to take the jar. I'm going to be putting it and the funnel. You just pour it inside. That is it. This is a miraculous wonder oil in a bottle. In a bottle, guys. I show you that we're going to be seeing a lot of good things in this channel. To the glory of God, okay? Everything I'm doing here is to the glory of God. It's not by power, not by mind, okay? I do it to the glory of God, not to the glory of men, but to the glory of God. So this is it. This is the oil. You just rub it, even though you have protective style, just rub it down of your protective style. Just rub. When I make protective style, maybe you weave your hair, just take once in a week, just use it to rub in on down of your hair and all those things. So you see, so I just pack my hair, rub it on my hair, just pack it. It's very, very long. It's very, very long. God bless you all. You know, natural hair is good.